Welcome back, children, to lesson number 7 of your EVS subject I Love Gujarat. Children, today we will learn about some cities of Gujarat. Before that, take out page number 55 and see under Think and Say. Children, in my last video, I explained you what is the difference between dam and bridge. I hope you all remember. You can see 3 questions given under that rivers of your district. Children, you are living in Surat, so you know which river flows in Surat? Yes, Tapi river flows in Surat. And this is the biggest river. Tapi is the biggest river of your district, that is Surat. Now children, dams located in your district? Yes, Ukai Dam is located in your district, Surat. Children, till now we have learned that Flamingo visited Run of Kutch, then Pirotan Island, then it reached to Gir Forest, then it went to Veraval, then Bhavnagar, then Dang region, and then to Saputara. Then it also learnt about the rivers of Gujarat. Now Flamingo has reached to Gandhinagar, the capital of Gujarat. Gandhinagar lies on the west bank of Sabarmati river. The city was planned by Chief Architect H.K. Mewada and his assistant Prakash M. Apte. It spans an area of 205 square kilometers. Gandhinagar is India's tree capital with 54% green cover on its land area. The top attractions to visit in Gandhinagar are Akshardham Temple, Indroda National Park, Adalaj Tri Mandir, Dandi Kutir, Sarita Udyan, and Mini Pavagad. So children, whenever you visit Gandhinagar, visit these places. Children, before flying to Gandhinagar, capital of Gujarat, Flamingo flew over Anand. Anand is the administrative center in the state of Gujarat. It is administered by Anand Municipality. It is part of the region known as Charotar, consisting of Anand and Kheda districts. It is known as Milk Capital of India. It became famous for Amul Dairy and its milk revolution. Amul is an Indian dairy cooperative society at Anand in Gujarat. Formed in 1946, it is a cooperative brand managed by a cooperative body, the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation Limited, which today is jointly owned by 36 lakh milk producers in Gujarat. Amul spurred India's white revolution, which made the country the world's largest producer of milk and milk products. Children, other than milk and milk products, Amul has come up with a variety of products. That is why we say Amul, the taste of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated a new chocolate plant at Mogar at Anand. Children, after visiting Gandhinagar, Flamingo reached Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, which is also known as Ahmedabad. It is the largest city of Gujarat. Ahmad Shah laid the foundation of this city on 26 February 1411. Over the time, the city established itself as the home of developing textile industry, which earned the nickname of Manchester of East. It is the administrative headquarters and the seat of the Gujarat High Court. It is located on the banks of river Sabarmati. Ahmedabad has emerged as an important economic and industrial hub in India. It is the second largest producer of cotton in India. Children, when you visit Ahmedabad, you must visit these places. The first one is Kakaria Lake of Ahmedabad. Then comes Sabarmati Ashram or Gandhi Ashram. Then comes Sabarmati Riverfront. Now comes Adalaj Step Well. Here you can see Auto World Vintage Car Museum. Then comes the oldest Calico Museum of Textiles. The Shaking Tower, which is also known as Jhulti Minar, and Siddhi Sayyad Mosque. Children, there are many more places to be visited in Ahmedabad. I have covered some important ones. So children, this was the end of my video. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.